Ready to ditch the brush and roller and give your fence a flawless makeover in record time. First, grab your weapon of choice, a paint sprayer from Walmart. Many models will work just fine. Be sure to pick one that is suitable for outdoor projects and compatible with the type of paint you plan to use. Check its specifications for fence painting. Next, choose your paint. Exterior acrylic latex paint is a great option for fences because it's durable and weather-resistant. Don't forget to grab a paint strainer and some mixing sticks. Preparation is key. Start by cleaning your fence. Power washing is ideal, but scrubbing with soap and water works to remove any loose paint with a scraper and sand down any rough spots for a smooth surface. Protect anything you don't want painted. Use painter's tape and plastic sheeting to mask off plants, your house, or anything near the fence. Now for the fun part. Load your paint sprayer according to the manufacturer's instructions. Test the spray pattern on a piece of cardboard to adjust the settings. Hold the sprayer about 68 inches from the fence and use smooth, even strokes, overlapping each pass slightly. Once you're done painting, clean your sprayer. Immediately disassemble it and rinse all the parts thoroughly with water or the recommended solvent for your paint. This will prevent clogs and extend the life of your sprayer. And there you have it, a beautifully painted fence with minimal effort. Enjoy your revamped outdoor space. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy DIY projects.